Did you know that your karma is the blueprint for the emotional work that you came here to do in this lifetime? It's all about karma. Now, most people, when I ask them about their karma, they'll say, well, you know, it's cause and effect, or good things happen when I do good things, or what goes around comes around. But what I want you to understand is your karma is really much more important than that. It's really controlling everything that's happening in your life. So whatever's happening, whatever challenges you have, whatever difficulties, whatever struggles, whatever things you like, whatever things you don't like, these are all tied into your karmic map, or what I like to call the karmic wheel. And going forward in life is about identifying and then clearing the negative karma that we brought into this lifetime. When you think about it that way, it's a different thing, because you're saying, wow, I brought this in, so the experiences that I'm having, the challenges that I'm having, the difficulty or whatever's happening in my life that I don't like, these are things that I came here to experience. Now, the reason this is so powerful is it moves you out of the role of victim, because now you realize you came to have these experiences in the first place. Completely changes the game. So now I want you to think about your life in a different way and understand that karmically, once you understand your karma, and once you understand exactly what's going on in your life, you will be able to make powerful changes on a daily basis. You'll be able to identify your karma and then clear the negative karma that's holding you back. Hi, I'm Joe Nunziata, the author of Karma Buster. I'd like you to go to karmabuster.com. You can get a copy of my new book, get a special video which will give you some tips and ideas of how to get through your negative karma, and also give you the platform and the tools to move forward in a positive way. I'll see you soon. Enjoy the book.